Hello everyone, welcome to this special bonus invitation episode of IELTS Energy TV. I am your teacher Jessica Beck, and today I'm going to tell you why you cannot miss our web class coming up on November 23rd and 25th. Alright guys, so what is this unmissable web class? It is called 4 Secrets to a 7 or Higher in 30 Days and How Most Students Waste Their Time. You guys, there is so much information in this web class. Now, if you probably are a busy adult. Job, studies, family, there is so much to do. You cannot waste one single second of your IELTS preparation. What if you only get an hour a day, 30 minutes a day, 2 hours a day? You cannot waste any of that, guys. You have to learn as much as you can all the time. So in this web class, we are going to tell you how to do just that for all 4 skills: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. We're going to give you free resources you could use, activities for how to use them to practice for IELTS. And there's 2 more sort of bonus things in here. We're also going to teach you where students make the worst timing mistakes on exam day, and I am going to teach you why the question type matching headings to paragraphs should be the fastest and easiest reading question type, okay? So I hope I have convinced you that you cannot miss this web class. Come live, you guys. We do not record these and send these out anymore. So grab your spot right now and then put it right away in your calendar. So the web classes are November 23rd and 25th. Go to allearsenglish.com/save time. That's allearsenglish.com/save time. Come live, guys, interact with us, ask me questions. I will be there live as well. So I will see you on November 23rd or 25th. Bye, everyone.
Bonus tip, get a 7 or higher with the All Ears English app, featuring real-time transcripts and vocabulary practice that will push your score higher. Plus, fun video lessons with Lindsay, Michelle, and Jessica. Download the app today at allearsenglish.com/app.